Last night here on Eyewitness News, we showed you one idea for removing snow from your roof without ever having to get up on the roof. Well, we've gotten dozens and dozens of calls from people wanting to know how to make one of these gadgets.
One man heard about the idea and created something similar using PVC pipe instead of metal so it doesn't require any welding. News specialist Allison Barlow has the story about an idea whose time has obviously come.
So I wanted something that would go right on the roof, but not tear the roof up.
Joe Thompson got his snow removal idea from someone who was watching KSL television. It seemed like a good idea after he spent 2 hours with a shovel on his mother-in-law's roof yesterday afternoon.
If you could just have them stay intact, it would really make a dandy igloo.
Thompson put in about $20 and an hour's worth of work on his snow scraper.
With the two pipes, by being PVC and being flexible, it's easy to control it. I can move it right across the roof, whichever direction I need to, just by which of the folds I pull on.
The main part of the device is called Schedule 40 PVC pipe with PVC elbow joints on the front.
To make it so that it has elbows on the front so that it won't tear into the tile.
Then Thompson created a blade out of plastic and duct tape to slide underneath the snow.
This is just a little bit lower, so it gives you a little
That's right.
angle.
This is lower. The wire is lower than the pipe. This could be made out of wood or PVC or whatever. Okay,
Two stiff pieces of wire actually cut the snow, and a long piece of plastic helps it slide off the roof.
It is still very hard work, but it beats the way we did it yesterday.
Those who know say no matter the method, it's time to start clearing the roof, especially if you have an older home, a flat roof, a carport, or awning. Allison Barlow, Eyewitness News, South Jordan.
About time we've got another storm coming, right?